everyone! Today I am going to draw some makeup accessories. First, I have drawn beautiful lips. Now I am drawing a bottle of perfume. I like perfume so much. It is very easy drawing. Please try to draw with me. Now I'm drawing lipstick. I like lipstick so much. Now I am drawing a bottle of nail polish. I love drawing and painting so much. Now it's time to draw beautiful eyeshadow palette. I love makeup so much. Do you like makeup? It's time to make our makeup drawing more beautiful and colorful. Red color. Pink color. Light pink color. Orange color. Green color. Pink color. Blue color. Red color. Green color. Yellow color. Blue color. green color, pink color, orange color, pink color, red color, dark green color, yellow color. Our beautiful drawing is ready. See you in next video.